So it's Tuesday today, vlog to. Grabe, napakainit. Tignan niyo yung araw na yun. So hot. Grabe. We are here at the BICT department. So hot, guys. Dito kami sa BSICT. BSIT pala. BSICT. Nandito kami sa BSIT department for our research. Naghahanap kami ng mga IT experts. Tingnan nyo guys, napakainit. Grabe, it's so hot. Oh, grabe. It's so hot in the